Hi children, in the last class we studied the addition of decimals. Today we will study the subtraction of decimals. All of you look here how we will subtract the decimal numbers. Subtraction of decimal is the same just like the subtraction of whole numbers. Write the decimal numbers according to their place values and then start subtract from the right side. Look at the first question. 73.22 minus 37.65. How will you subtract? Just like the subtraction of whole numbers. First of all, write down these numbers in the working column. 73.22 minus 37.65. Subtract these numbers begin from the right side. This is the decimal point. Can we subtract 5 from 2? No. So we have to regroup this 2 as 1 tens and 12 ones. 12 minus 5, we get 7. Write down 7. Then 1, can we subtract 6 from 1? No. Regroup this 3. This become 11. 11 minus 6. 5. Point. Here this 3 become 2. We can't subtract 7 from 2. So we regroup this 7 as 6 and this become 12. 12 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It become 5. It is 5. The answer is 5. Then 6 minus 3 is 3. You all know that. The answer is 35.57. 35.57. Second question. 6.815 minus 4.407. How will you subtract? First of all, write down these numbers in the working column. We can arrange the numbers according to the place value. 6.815 minus 4.407. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. Regroup these numbers. This will become 0. This become 15. 15 minus 7. 8. 0 minus 0. 0. 8 minus 4. 4. Then we have to put this decimal point. Decimal point you have to put in the correct place itself. That only to remember. 6 minus 4, 2. The answer is 2.408. 2.408. Then the third question. 12.51 minus 2.912. For subtracting, we have to write the numbers in the working column. First of all, write down 12 minus 5, 1. 12.51 minus 2. Correct. Put the decimal numbers in the correct place itself. 9, 1, 2. Look here. Here 3 decimal places. Here only 2 decimal places. What you have to do? Here we have to make it as like decimals. We have to add a 0 to the right side. Then can we subtract 2 from 0? No. So we have to regroup this 1. This will become 0. This will become 10. 10 minus 2? 8. Can we subtract 1 from 0? No. So regroup this. Here it become 4. Here it become 10. 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1? 9. Can we subtract 9 from 4? No. We have to regroup. This will become 1. This become 14. 14 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 5. We have to put here decimal point. 11 minus 2, 9. So the answer is 9.598. The answer is 9.598. Then look at the fourth question. 7.5 minus 6.432. Write the numbers in the working column. 7.5 minus 6.432. Look here, 3 decimal place. Here only 1 decimal place. What we have to do for subtraction? We have to make this as like decimal numbers. We have to put 2 zeros. This will become 10. This becomes 9. This become 4. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 4, 0. Then put the decimal place. 7 minus 6, 1. So the answer is 1.068. Children, now I hope all of you understood how to subtract the decimal numbers. All of you do your homework.